Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and in today's video we're going to be doing a different type of makeup video. You guys have already seen me do the alphabet picks the order of my makeup, but in today's video we're going to be doing Fate chooses my makeup. So if you're interested to see what I'm talking about, stay tuned and let's play with some makeup. So before we get started, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down below and also hit that bell so that you're notified when I post a video to my channel and you don't miss out. And I'm really active on my Twitter and my Instagram as well, so I'll leave all that social media platform goodness down below, so don't forget to check that out. So this video is a collaboration with Kailee Wesley, and Kailee and I have done several collaborations in the past. We've really done more collaborations with our husbands, but in today we are just makeup lovers coming together and doing something a little bit different. Kailee's channel is such a great makeup focused channel. She does amazing pan videos, so if you're really into people finishing their collection, finishing products, I definitely recommend Kailee's channel. And also she gives you statistics, well, like numbers. She breaks it down, she shows you the percentages of everything she's using in the month, in the week, and I really just love watching her pan videos because it really does inspire me to use up things. And now I'm at the point where I use something up and I send her a picture and I'm like, I did it. So she's doing amazing videos, and she also does collaborations with other beautiful creators here on YouTube, so don't forget to check her out. I will leave her channel link down below. And like I said, we are doing a collaboration today of Fate Chooses Our Makeup. Now I have already done a video with Debbie Knobloch where we did Alphabet Chooses the Order of Our Makeup, so that one was kind of like predetermined. We knew what was coming, you know, A, B, C, D, E. But today, I've put all 14 steps of a halo eye makeup look, including foundation, base, all that good jazz, in this container. And we're just gonna draw, and whatever I draw, I put on first. So it's not alphabetical, it's by fate. I'm excited to see what the order will be and if this look will come together. Please come together. If not, we're just gonna have fun and have a little laugh. Okay, first thing we're drawing. First is, oh my god, face primer. Okay, thank goodness. That was gonna be really hard to do. Like even in between or after foundation. All right, so for face primer today, I'm using the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hydrating Hyaluronic Acid Primer. All right, primer done. Next up, we have lipstick. So my lipstick combination for this look is the Dose of Colors Matte Liquid Lipstick in Play It Cool and the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fussy. Alright, so before anything else, let's go ahead and apply our lipstick. This just looks odd because there's nothing else on my face. Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, and then we're gonna top it with the gloss. Lips are done. Really early in our makeup step. Next up, we have foundation. Okay, so for foundation today, I'm trying to just get my inner Kailee Wesley vibes of her pan projects. So we're going to be using a foundation. This is the CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made, and I'm in the shade D80. I mean, at least we have primer down, so I feel better about that, but it's just so odd that I have my lipstick on already. Like, this just feels so weird. And I don't even have brows on, which you guys know I love to do my brows first over anything else on my face. Well, like primer then brows. So this already feels like, what am I doing with my life? All right, next up we have, okay, we have concealer for the face. Okay, and for my concealer, I'll be using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the shade 9. It feels so weird not to have my brows on. Won't lie. Okay, so concealer for the face, done. Next up, we've got setting powder. Okay, this is starting to look right. Okay, so next up we have setting powder. Okay, not too bad. So we have the ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder in the shade Medium Deep, and I will apply that everywhere that I put the concealer. Setting powder is done. Next up, we have eyeshadow on concealer. Okay, so next up here, we have the eyeshadow part of our halo look. So, okay, I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna do that, but so for the eyeshadow palette I was wanting to use, this is the Biohazard palette from Lele Posh Cosmetics, and I was going to put one of these like glittery highlight shimmer metallic-y shades on the crease part of the halo look, but we're doing it now. So I'm just gonna grab a brush and just do like a halo mimic shape because we don't even have the concealer down to do the halo eye. So this is the Morphe 322 brush, and I'm going to grab the shade, I don't even know because I don't know what color I was gonna go for. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're gonna grab the shade Suffocating. Oh my gosh, and put that right in the center. Like there's not even primer down on my eyes yet. Oh my gosh, I can't. I haven't even done like the concealer part. I think that's the one thing that's messing me up the most is I don't have brows on. So let's dust off the fallout from this glitter shade. Oh my gosh. Okay, next up. Oh gosh. Concealer for the brows. Concealer for the brows. Okay, alright. So my two concealers that I use to carve out my brows are by NARS. These are the Soft Complete Concealers. I use Amande under my brow and Cafe on top of my brow, but I don't even have my brows on. So we're going to mimic a brow shape, I guess. And Kaylee, I am almost done with this one. Ooh, girl. This is just so weird. Like there's, what am I even carving out? Nothing. And remember, I've already set my my face concealer with powder, so there's already powder sitting on my face. And now I'm putting on this concealer on top of it. Like, what is this shape? I don't know. I don't know. I don't know what this shape is. So, brow concealer done. Ridiculous. Utterly ridiculous. Alright, so our next step is brows. Of course. Of course. Next step we have our brows. Of course. Of course, brows have to come after. Of course. Alright, so next we'll be using the ColourPop Brow Boss, and this is in the shade Soft Black. And we're going to try and just fill in without disturbing the concealer and see if we can get a brow shape. Ridiculous. Fate is messing with me today. No idea. This isn't the perfect brow, but it's gonna have to work with what we got. We're not gonna talk about it. Brows done. All right, next up. Oop, I grabbed two, so let's put them all back. Grab another. All right, so next up we have setting spray. Okay, so for setting spray, we're using the Morphe Continuous Mist Spray. Next. All right, so next up we have concealer for the halo eye. Okay, crapola. All right, so for the concealer, what I was planning to use was the Jeffree Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in Drug Lord. How? Because I already have the eyeshadow down. Okay, so usually I pat, oh my gosh, it's just going to cover up the, okay, we're not going to get frustrated. We're just going to keep going. All right, so let's just, yep, blend it out as if this was our, oh my gosh, you guys, it's just ruining the eyeshadow. There's no saving it. There's no saving it at this point because I can't go back. So yeah, it's like the eyeshadow was just never there. Basically, I just covered it all up because this step had to come so late after the eyeshadow. Oh my gosh. I just covered up all that eyeshadow. Next up is blush. Okay, at least it's like going to be on top of the setting powder and the foundation, so I don't really have to worry about that. So let me go ahead and use the Lele Posh face brush and apply my blush. At least it's sitting on the right layer. Okay, so blush is done. Oh my gosh. Next up we've got, okay, we've got the eyeshadow part of the halo look. Okay, so in the, I'm just like, this look is already just gone. So in the Lele Posh palette, I think I was trying to just go for like a red orangey to match this shirt that I'm wearing. So let's just go down that route because we've already kind of just veered way off a plan. So the first shade I'm going to go into is called Flammable. And we're just going to place that on our outer and inner V of our eye. Like the thought of this look coming together now is kind of like out the window. I feel like it's just gone. I'm so interested to see what Kailee drew. Oh my gosh, I really hope that Kailee had better luck than I did because it looked like I was doing okay. It looked like things were going my way, like the steps were going great in the beginning, and then we get closer to the end and just everything is going wrong. So wrong. I'll definitely have to recreate this using the proper steps at a later date. Alright, and how many do we have left? We have 2 more left in our jar. So let's see, our next step is highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm going to use the F.A.I.R Beauty Cosmetics. This is a sample size in Fairy Wish, and I'm just going to apply that to my cheeks. Oh gosh. At least this is going on the right layer. It just looks a hot mess right now. All right, and our last and final step in our jar, Fate, we're gonna have to have a sit down and have a conversation. Last step, lashes. Okay, so our jar is empty. These were all 14 steps that I would have taken to create a halo eye, and you guys, I'm telling you, at first I was so happy. Besides the lipstick going on first, I was like, okay, we had the primer, we had the foundation, we had the concealer, we had the setting powder. I was like, things are going my way, and then it just went so wrong. So wrong. So I'm definitely going to recreate this look, but for this video, for this collab with Kailee, I think this was really fun, and just to kind of get you out of that same routine, if you would, I would recommend just trying this and just having some fun, because it kind of takes you out of your daily grind and you kind of get like a little frazzled, which is never a bad thing. It's fun. So thank you guys for just watching, and please don't forget to go check out Kailee's video. I've left her channel link down below, and show her some love. She is such a sweet, amazing, she is such a sweet, amazing person, very welcoming, and her channel is very informative. I really love this video, this challenge, so thank you again, Kailee, for collabing with me. And yeah, I just can't believe that the steps went so wrong. So if you guys have a challenge that you'd like me to try, leave it down in the comments below, and if I have the time, I would love to do it. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye. Mwah.